Well, we're getting ready to put this thing back together, start the assembly on it, and there's a few things we're going to do for the body mounts. We did take some measurements on this floor, and being that it is an aftermarket floor, we're going to have to raise this up about a ½ inch from the frame, so the body will sit here, and it's going to have to be another ½ inch up. But we'll start putting it together. The section here where the shifters go, that's all going to be bolted on, and then we'll put the fenders back on and start the assembly. So it looks like he's ready to start working on it. This here is the removable center cover, and you can see the gas pedal. Kind of cool. It's all metal, and so that'll have to be put on as well. But you know, this was pretty bad. It was rusted here, and all these pieces here were rusted. So we have the new ones that we're going to be putting in right here. And again, once this goes down, it all bolts right on. So it shouldn't be too bad. Again, he's already fit it once, so we know it's going to bolt right up. And we got the blocks underneath it here on right and left side. So when we go down with it, it'll line right up.
Smash it up, you can send it next door. Like that. Our first body should be. Okay, sounds good. Never get really. piece of wood in there.
There's a piece of wood?
They put a piece of wood in there to keep from crushing. Might not have a sharp drill bit either. Let's take it off. Let's do it this way.
What's inside there, Andy?
Piece of wood.
And so what's that drill bit not going through it?
I got dual drill bits.
Oh,
I got cheap drill bits.
you better
too.
sharpen those up. We got a sharpener here.
I tried. They don't got the right parts to it. They're missing parts to it.
Oh, so we better get another one then.
Yeah.
Nick?
See if Nick give me a 5/16.
Cowboy, you on it? Cowboy, you on the radio? I'm holding. I need some drill bits for this one. You don't match anymore.
Try to drill it first.
He's going to get you some new drill bits. So this is going to be it for today on the Jeep. We'll tomorrow we will continue working on it and do some more footage and keep moving forward.